This video is on how to change the pop-up setting on Google Chrome. So the first thing you want to do is activate Google Chrome. And if you click on the three dots in the upper right hand corner here and then go to settings, it'll bring up the settings window. And what you want to do is scroll down toward the bottom and right here click on advanced settings, and then you want to go down a little bit further and down here where it says content settings, click on content settings, and on this window you want to scroll down just a little bit further, and right here it says pop-ups. These are set to blocked, so I'm going to click on that. I'm going to turn this button on to allow pop-ups. Okay, and you can do some other things here. You can allow specific, so you could turn the pop-up blocker off, but you could allow specific sites and so on, but we won't go into that now. So that's it. That's all you have to do. Give it a try.